I come back in 2 years just for checkup. We did everything like X-ray, everything is good. My name is Iryna and I'm living in Canada, Toronto. And I come back in 2 years just for checkup. And right now we did everything like X-ray, everything, and everything is good. My implants in place, my crown very good, yes. And they also, I like that they are doing, when they are finishing doing crown, they are doing this transparent, if you can see, transparent like edge, that more natural form and color, and also this transparent, and the people even not believing that this is not mine. This, yes, that's why I'm so happy. Yeah, yes, the feeling like I'm coming home. Yeah, really, I know the people, I know where is the clinic, and no like worry what's going on, and 2 years ago the people still remember me. Yeah, it's so nice. Oh yeah, of course I was worried because I don't know what it will be, because I was in Cuba. They checked and told they cannot do this for me. Find some surgeon who can do, because it was not very easy. I know that it was a difficult case for the doctor for sure. Yes, and that's why I was worried. I understand that it will be not like only the implant, that I need to really to make some surgeon, because I have only even less than 2 millimeter of the bone, and now I have 10 millimeter. Yeah. No, yeah, I was worried about the because in the lower jaw I also have thin bone, and we cannot do normal implants. And they find some solution for me. This from Switzerland, as far as I remember, this implants from Switzerland, Strumen. Yes, they are really very good for the lower. This jaw, and I was worried about this, because I understand that you have to have this base to put this nail. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that was my concern. Oh yeah, of course. Yes, it's. I feel more comfortable. I feel more free, because all the time like haha, he he, and
You are hiding.
trying. Yes, yeah, no, yeah, because it was, yeah. And even my son, when I came and smile, he's saying, "Mom, you can smile now free." I'm still yes, and of course my smile from beginning and now it's difference, and feeling of also, of course.